Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to review about Rin Mega Pack 6 bars. You get this 6 bars, but I have already used in 3, and I suddenly thought, oh my god, I have not done the review of the Rin and show it to my friends. So today I'm here to tell you about this Rin Mega Pack 6 bars. The MRP of this pack is Rupees 150, inclusive of all taxes. USP Rupees 0.1 per gram. This is a mega pack, and the net weight when packed 6 units. So each bar is of 250 grams each. It's a detergent cake made in India for complete declaration, safe individual pack. Okay. So I will show you one of the pack. This is the Rin bar. So I have got this 6, but at 3 I have already used. I am here to make a review now. Detergent cake made in India, marketed by Hindustan Unilever Limited, Unilever House, BD Savan Marg, Chakala, Andheri East, Mumbai 400099, Maharashtra. Rin is a registered trademark. So you need to store in a cool place based on average monthly consumption of Rin bar as per All India Household Panel research data 2017-2018. Individual unit not for sale. Caution: detergent solution can be skin irritants. Avoid prolonged contact. Rinse garment and hand thoroughly. Manufactured by read characters following. I think this is D72HUL U-2 Dapada 396230. If you have any query or feedback, you can call them on their toll-free number, that is 180010222221, and their post PO Box 14760, Mumbai 400099, and the email ID is lever.care@unilever.com. So I'll open this pack and I'll show you. The front, here it is written Rin, and the back it is shown like this. This is the front one and this is the back. So friends, I have little cloth for my washing. Let us see how this Rin soap helped me in washing it. Come on. So friends, I am gonna show you how I wash my clothes. I just apply soap. And I just scrub it like this. Sometimes I use brush also. Wash my clothes. I'm done. I'll keep my soap over here. I'll just pour the water in here so that nobody will slip. Somebody comes in my bathroom and then the water is left and there's soap over here under my sink. So I am cleaning it for them. So once I finish with my washing, I just rinse it with the water and I keep it for drying. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. And if you want to buy this product, you can get it in Amazon. I have left the link in the description. Bye. Thank you.